So what is up, guys? It's your boy Karan here with another video. I am back with another one. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to make some slime. And yeah, it's going to be pretty awesome. So first, this is what I'm using. I'm using some body wash. I already got it in the bowl. And I got some salt. So that's what you will be needing and something to mix with. Okay, so first, let me turn the camera around. Turn the camera around. I don't even know. But anyway, see? Got this in the bowl. And we're just gonna add some salt to it. Add some salt to it. And you just want to mix right now. See, guys? It's mixing real good. The salt will help it. See how it's coming up? You don't need to put it in no refrigerator, no nothing. It'll just go like that. See it? It's pretty cool, right? What's that? Look at that slime. And it's pretty cool to make. It don't take a long time to make, but yeah. It don't take a long time to make, but yeah. So I'm just gonna keep on mixing. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this after. So I'm gonna get out of this better clean. So I'm gonna get a better clean to show you guys. So yeah, come on, Aaron. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's dark right now, guys. I'm sorry. So sorry. It's dark. Put the light on. And okay, let me get myself settled. Okay, and it's dark. It's so dark. Okay, that's some better lighting. And what you want to do is just want to keep on mixing. Just keep on mixing. See it? I know you guys can't see it, but it's mixing pretty well. Look at it. Okay, guys. Just this. If you guys get this good ingredients, it works. So, no joke. Salt and just this works. Forever. And I'll show you guys when I'm done. So, okay, so look, guys, this is what it looks like, and it's pretty nice. So yeah, like and subscribe, and bye.